Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Trend. I am Dr. Z. In this video, I am going to give you a plan, Road to the Glory, in which you can make up $1,000 from your 10,000 USDT investment. And if you have on a short on the budget or something, cut it down, make it 1 lakh, and 1 lakh from 1 lakh you can make up to 10 lakh, and maybe 10 lakh rupees, and you can make 1 crore there. But if you have any doubt right now, this is not possible, or this is just like the words in the air, you can leave the video right now. This is not for you, because mentally you are not strong there, mentally you haven't reached there. What I'm going to talk, the things and the stuff in this particular video. This video will be without editing, without anything. I will just do what I want to do, because I actually was working on this thing since I'll show you the file actually from last more than a week actually. More than a week I was working on this plan, and I wanted to make a video, but something was missing. I wasn't having that adrenaline rush or something to make this video, because this video, in the way or the thing which I want to tell you or to penetrate into you, I needed a different kind of energy. And right now, today, I was having that freaking energy to convey my message to you. So without further delay, let me spotlight few of the things first. So first of all, what we do, the biggest mistake is we buy the market when it's green. We say, oh, it's going up, candle is there, so just FOMO, get into the train, and you take the wrong train or the bus, and then what happens is you start losing the money. So the first approach you have to change is buy red and sell green. If you're not doing that thing, you cannot achieve your targets. Second, invest on the projects, or invest on the things what you believe in, what you see, what's coming after 2-3 years, 5 years or 10 years. And trust me, if your approach is there to invest in something, take 5-10% profit, 15% profit, you're not for the crypto, you're not going to be the rich. Because someone said that thing, a famous quote, if you were born poor, that's not your mistake, but if you die poor, that's your freaking mistake. So yes, that will be your mistake, because your mindset is not there to reach that level there. Still, you need more, polish up yourself. So the next one, in this video, I'm going to give you my perception, the way I'm seeing the things which are coming 5-10 years ahead. It's all about the crypto gaming, metaverse. I was working this thing more than a week before, but now after the Facebook news and everything, it's the whole world already know this thing. And I'll share you some of the freaking amazing figures which are just the beginning. It's not like even you can say even you are standing on a railway station and the train has not yet arrived. Still, there is a long way down to the journey. Okay, so the first you need to understand, there are two different kind of gaming. One is earn to play and earn and play. I'm not going into the details. Search yourself what the difference between these two, but these are the two major differences where you are going to put your money in, your head in. You need to think about those things. So first of all, what is a road plan actually? Road plan is this. It's in front of you. If you put your $1,000 in 10 different projects, okay, in which you believe the progress is there, you can make different X, like in the first 4X, 5X, 8X, 10X, 12X, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 6, 2. Overall, what your target will be, you have to make 4.8X out of your 10 different projects. Okay, if you are thinking 4X is not possible, like you're investing 1,000 and you are getting $4,000, it's not possible, Z. Let me enlighten you, man, with me. So we are seeing into the cryptocurrency right now. So the total cryptocurrency market value is $2.89 trillion, which is freaking peanut comparatively to the stock market, comparatively to the other industry. It's still growing, it's still premature, a baby is there. And if you go down into the list, in the categories, you go down there and you see where it goes, metaverse and gaming. Okay, metaverse, it freaking increased 7x in last 7 days. So if you are thinking that these figures 4x, 5x, 8x, 10x, 12x is not possible. Okay, not possible. Close this video, go back, follow the people, these peoples, okay, these one, you're understanding what I'm talking about, okay? The people like this, where you are investing this much, going there, coming down there, okay? You are still the prisoner of other people's thoughts. Other people, the rich people, are making money by fooling you. Don't get fooled. Think out of the box. Stop following the people who cannot broaden your vision and the thing where you are standing and what you're going to be after 5 or 10 years. Yesterday I was reading one of the tweet. Freaking 17-year-old kid bought a home for her mother. Can you freaking imagine? Just in 2 years? Of course, not an Asian one, a white person. So, and if you're not following the Twitter there, okay, let me show you something. Go on the Twitter, write hashtag and metaverse. 1770 tweets in the last 1 hour. Tell me, how many of you watching this video right now, especially who are from the Asia, you are on the Twitter and you really follow the Twitter and you really follow the people who have a good vision or think and they preach what they are thinking and they are doing actually. Not the people who are making you think the way they want you to think, or they are making money on your tank process or all those things. So this is one of the example. I mean, okay, keep following those people. If you're not ready, keep following those people, trust me. Anyways, moving on, if you are thinking the road to the glory, 4x, 5x, 8x, 10x, 12x, these numbers are unrealistic. These are not possible. Let me enlighten you, my brothers, my friends, my family. Metaverse has increased almost 7x in last freaking 7 days. Okay, let me share you one more thing. Open this one, metaverse and the gaming token. This is market value is $2.9 billion, 2.9 billion USD dollars, and I'm looking this market to grow into 100 trillion USD dollars. So if you are thinking you are late, for example, Engine has got 42% in a week, oh, you missed the train. Sandbox has got 266% in a week, you missed the train. What else? What else gone? XC 7.2, there was one more. Mana got like 400-500% gain in a week, and you missed the train. You are mistaken. You go on the list, you go down there, you do your own research. If your mentality is there, is like the people, give me the signal, I want to buy this one, I will make 5%, 10%, you put the rocket icon there and rocket high. No, you are not for the crypto then. You are there to just make 5-10%. You will keep making 5-10% or max 20%, max 30%. You need to change your approach. You are the prisoner of the other thoughts, what the people they have injected into you. Just go there on the Twitter, change your thinking process, change the people you are following, start following the people who have a real good vision. I'm not going to spoon feed you each and everything, okay? I'm doing my homework. I'm freaking doing my homework there. I'm a doctor and still making notes like a kindergarten kid. Why? Because I see the vision of the people. I understand what they are thinking. I understand where we are heading. I understand what metaverse, gaming, DFI, NFTs, they are going to bring the changes in the upcoming years. Okay, so we are talking about 22.9 billion market right now today in November 2021. I'm thinking about the market after 5 or 10 years when it will be 100 trillion, and you are crying on those 26 and all those things. And on the other side, if you are thinking the 4x, 5x, 8x, 10x and all those 10 different projects will not hit this one, close this video, go back, sleep, get up tomorrow morning, get some signals, get 10-20% profit on those things, be happy, live your life like that. Okay, anyways, the people who are interested in doing this thing, who are feeling my voice, feeling my energy there, who I'm penetrating their heart and mind and soul there, this video is for you people. Okay, so if you pick up 10 good projects, what you're going to do is you put your money there because you are believing that thing. Okay, you are believing, and if you have a strong belief, the things will happen for you and happen in your own directions. So pick up the 10 different projects, wait for when they will hit these targets. You can change these one. Okay, I have put 0.2, 0.3, 0.5. Actually this plan I have taken or learned from the people I'm following. Okay, so 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 realistic number, 4x, 5, everything is realistic there. So you put your $10,000 there, 10 lakh rupees or 10,000 rupees, whatever your budget is, and at the end of the bull run you're going to make $48,000. Okay, I'm going to talk about the USD. 10,000 USD, you are easy busy making 48,000 USD at the end of the bull run. Bull run, when it will end, the way it's going up from where I'm seeing is, this is November. Okay, Q1 of 2022, I can see still freaking projectile movement and it will rocket high. Okay, I don't see this market settling down before Jan, Feb or something until the Feb. If this X what I've written is very pretty much possible. Pretty much possible. My brothers, my friend and families, this is possible. So you are making 48,000 USD dollars at the end of first bull run cycle. What you have to do is the concept, hold with their diamond hands and all those things. Yes, it's good, but you need to be smart what you are holding on actually. Okay, so if you are on the first part, what you have done, you've done your half of the work you are going to do. You made this much money, you hit your targets, take out the money, put it in the USDT and wait for the bearish market. Yes, my brother, you are going to hold the USD dollars rather than the projects, because okay, if I go into, say for example, pull up some project which was hyped before, and let's say what we are going to pull up, Ethereum. Okay, ETH, come. Okay, Ethereum. So freaking slow, man, come on. So you need to understand the cycles pattern. There is a bull run, it will go up, it will come down. Oh, with this internet speed, I cannot even make 100 million, trust me. I need a good internet for that. I don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, let's wait, we'll open it. So what happens is, if you are for example now on a market where the bull run has started, you are making 4x, 5x, 2x or 3x, whatever the number is, the market is going up. Okay, and if you are understand this concept what I'm talking about now, you have invested your money, it went up to 4x, 5x. If you're not going to take the profit there, or if what your target is you have set there, okay, if you're not going to, you know what where you have put the money, what are your targets, make your own targets. This is something I'm looking for. If you are not that much optimistic, make your own, make it 2, make it 3, make it 2, make it out of 10,000, 24,000. Don't go for the 48. What I see is very much possible, because I'm talking about 100 trillion market cap for the future. So when the market will hit as per your targets 4x, you will take out the money, keep it in the USDT. Yes, you are happy, you are took the profit, and after that, even if the market goes up 2x more or 3x more, don't get into FOMO. It's okay. Whatever you wanted to do, you stick to your plan. Okay, you go up to there, take the USDT, keep it there, and then you will hold that USD with the diamond hands and wait for the dip. The dip will come. The bearish market will come. The people who are old into the cryptocurrency, they know when the bearish market start, how much it will be. All the altcoins, they go down 80%, 90%, 70% easily. They will go down there, and when everyone will be crying about the cryptocurrency, this was yagi, this was bubble has blasted and all those things, and we are wasting the money and we are in the loss, and that will be when the greed index will go down to 15, maybe 10. there, and then that will be the time you will come into the play and you will going to invest all those money back what you were holding with the golden hand rather than the projects. You are coming back to the market, my love, and then you are investing again, and then again you are picking up 10 different projects, and you are in each project you will invest 4,800 USD dollars, and then you will make again your plans there, and you will wait for the bull run, which will take the whole the whole cycle I'm talking about. It will take maybe 1 to 3 years. Okay, but you have a plan. You are thinking 3 years, 5 years, 10 years ahead there, and what I'm talking about, it's pretty much realistic figures. Trust me. I mean, look at this. Let me reset for you and the gains which happened in the last few. This one, Polka City, 8x, 5x, 7 days. I'm talking about 7 days, and in this video I'm telling you to make a plan for 1 to 2 years. So if you are thinking that 7x and 5x and this 6x and 5x and 4.5, 3.2, 3.19 can happen in a week. Okay, it can happen in a year, in a bull run. Yes, it can. If you are thinking it's not possible, crypto is not for you. You are not here to be rich. You are just here to take 5, 10, 15, 20, 50% profit, and you will be happy, or you made a lot of money. Good for you, my brother. Good for you. So again, what you will do is you will go into the bull market, you will take out your profit. First investment you have done, you have made 48k. You will hold with the money for the next bearish market, when the greed index will go down to 10, 15, maybe 5, somewhere everyone will be crying. You will come back there and you will invest your 48,000 again into 10 different projects, and you will set again the targets of 0.3, 0.2, 0.01, which is realistically can possible. One project can go dead or something, and even I have written 0% here, 0.006, which is 0.003, which is like, dead projects. But these are the two horses in the game there. These are the two horses which will give you 100x. Okay, this will going to change your life, and you are thinking the projects cannot give you the 100x. You are mistaken. My Ethereum didn't even open yet. My God. Okay, my internet is freaking out low. Anyways, so if you are thinking that this 100x are not possible, okay, go on the chart of UFO gaming, go onto the sandbox, go onto the Ethereum chart, go on the ADA when the people were buying in 0.0, go on the Bitcoin itself when it was $900 and freaking people were buying even 1 year before this COVID lockdown, and they are buying like in $22,000, and now it's 66,000 or something, all set to go 93 and above 100k, and you are talking about that these 100x will not possible. If you are thinking like this, I can't help you. You are prisoners of your own congested thoughts. You need to change your environment, your cycle, your social circle. You need to follow the people who are believing in these things. And Metaverse came to the spotlight just like 4-5 days before, and Facebook was working on this 4 years before. The people are working on this project years before. We are so Asian people. I'm sorry, no offense. I'm not being racist or anything. The problem with us is we are thinking in a tunnel vision. We don't see the things. We wake up today, what we have to do today, maximum in this week, tomorrow, that's it. The white people, the people with the good vision, the people with the thinking, the people with the smart mind, they are thinking, they are investing on themselves, and they want to see themselves after 5 years or 10 years. They are heading there, okay? They are putting their money there. They are putting their efforts, their energy there. And we are where we are putting, everything. Think from the big brain, okay? Stop thinking from the little brain. Trust me. Anyways, so again, then you will invest again when the bearish market will be there, when the people will be crying, when the people will be cursing for the time when they invested in the cryptocurrency. That will be the time for you, my brother. That again, you will invest, pick up 10 different projects, maybe the same one. Maybe you are still believing on something is new is coming, I don't know, maybe some good thing come other than Metaverse or something. And then again, you will wait for your targets. 0.3, freaking very much possible. Look at this. Look at this. Go down on the list. Go down on the list, and it's till here 5x. 5x. Look at the list in 1 week. 1 week, my brother. 1 week I'm talking about. Okay. Look at this. This is very realistic plan I'm sharing with you. Okay, I'm going to stick this thing with this plan. I'm going to do exactly what I am thinking. This is something I'm sharing my thought. I'm not spoon feeding you. I'm not giving you follow this thing. If you have a better vision, if you have a better plan, maybe you pick up 20 projects, maybe you decrease your number to 2x, maybe, I don't know, make the changes, but I'm giving you the path. I'm telling you, metaverse is the future. Metaverse is the future. Okay, we are talking about again 22.9 billion. It will going to be the 100 trillion market. I am telling you, 100 trillion, it will be a joke for this market, because what NFT, metaverse, connected between the gaming DFI based on the Solana, Ethereum, Polkadot, all this system. My God. Okay, next point. What you are going to pick the projects? I haven't listed my projects, to be honest with you. I haven't shared it yet, but definitely I'm going to make a video on that thing. What I am looking forward. If you are asking me how I have picked up projects, you will be amazed what I'm going to share with you. Trust me. If you're thinking I'm going to put my money on AXS, no, I will not, because look at the market cap, freaking 8.7 billion. No, it has done what it wanted to be done. Yes, it has a still juice left in there, but if you're talking about 10x, 100x, no, it will not give you the 10x or 100x. Okay, Engine, look at the market value. It will not give you 100x, my brother. 5x possible, 3x possible. In this bull run, I am a little doubtful, but yes, can. Sandbox 2.5 billion, yes, can give. Now, what happens is, you need to understand how the money flows, how the money goes, how the smart people, they are putting their money, taking out the profit, where they are investing again. Okay, for that I keep making a lot of videos on such hidden projects, hidden gems. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe there. I will pause for 1 second. I'll give you the time. Like the video, leave in the comment box, subscribe to my channel. I'll smoke a vape. I'm tired now. You haven't liked the video, my brother, please do it. Appreciate the effort. I'm putting my energy. Show some love. Okay. Where I'm putting my money in, where I'm putting my head in, I'll pick up the projects with the market cap, smaller market cap, with a good potential. Definitely, I'm not like just randomly go there and pick up some small market cap of this or this or this or this. No, I will read about the projects. Okay. One of my favorite, Atari. How I missed it. Anyways, like for example, let me take an example. So for example, this one, okay, this project's market cap is decent, the price is decent right now. Okay, Farallent, I have no freaking idea what it is. I'll go on the website, I will do my research, I will see how it's bringing the good thing. In the last my video, what I spoke about, there are two things you need to focus on in any projects, in anything you are putting your money in, your head, your energy in. You need to see two things. Is the project attractive? Okay, and will the project will keep the people holding to that or strict to that? If these two criteria they fulfill, attractive and the holding power, you're good to go, my brother. Depending on the market cap, you need to understand what this market cap has an impact on these prices. I can guarantee there are a lot of people there out there who are watching this video have a zero idea what this market cap, volume, the price, all that means. Because it's not your mistake, you're designed that way. You're jumping into the crypto by seeing the other people who are making money, and the biggest mistake what you do, I know the people on my WhatsApp group, the people are new, they're just making the Binance account or any other account, and they want to make $1,000 from 100 USD dollars. Bravo, my brother. You, it's a risky market. Okay, again, one point more, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor here. I'm not asking you to put the money here. This is just an educational video. I'm educating you. I'm trying to pass out my message to you, to reach out to your mind, to your heart, to your soul, that what you are missing out. Please, please, please awake yourself, do your own research. Okay, no one came there and they spoon fed me. I did my homework, freaking my homework there. Okay, do your homework, pick up your projects. Maybe I'm thinking in a wrong way, I'm thinking in a totally opposite 180 different angle of different direction. Put my head in the right direction. Maybe you can help me out. Leave in the comment box if I'm thinking in a wrong way. But anyways, so go on to this CoinGecko, look on the projects there, look at the market cap. My neighbor Alex, for example, I'm just putting an example there. I'm not putting my money there. I'm just like, giving an example there. Go on the official website, read about it, read about the games, read about the project, read about what people want and what they are bringing, what their projects are coming. Red Fox Lab, go onto their Twitter, check it out there, follow the Twitter or people on the Twitter. Look at this 1770 tweets in the last 1 hour. So people are thinking in this direction. Okay, so go there, mingle with these people and see what they are thinking, what they are putting their money in, how they are doing. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, the most important thing, how we are losing the money is, like for example, I'll give you the example of one of the token there. Where it should be there. Let me see. UFO gaming is how we can make a more X or more money on the projects. Like, they are not launched on the big exchanges. Okay, I cannot see in the list. Okay, anyways, so what happens is a coin, when they are in the pre-sale, when they are on the Uniswap, you can buy it from there. Buy those coins from there. Search on the coins there, the hidden gems, find out those coins there. If you buy from there, and when they are going to launch on the exchanges like Gate.io, maybe KuCoin, because usually the most of the coins they launch there, the prices will already be 5, 10, 15, 20x will be only there. Invest when they're on the pre-sale. Buy it from the Uniswap. Wait till they launch on the big exchanges like Binance or Coinbase and all those exchanges, and then you can easily, just in this circle, you can make easily 50x, 100x. I'm not like talking something out of this world. One of the coin I'm giving you, UFO gaming, go search about this thing. It's not yet launched on any of the exchanges. Uniswap, you can buy that coin. Again, I'm not recommended to buy. You do your own research. See if you see the potential, and in UFO, you put your money there and you see UFO gaming, yes, it's already on the 165 without launching on any big exchange, my brother. Pick up such projects, pick up the cream which is hidden from the world, and be the first one. Look at this market cap, beautiful. Look at the price there. Okay, and if you see 14 days, 2 weeks market cap, everything is perfect for this coin. Be the first one. Go to the Uniswap, buy this one. Look at this, from where it started already. I think 10x or 20x already given there. Readjusting okay, if you are thinking, if you are invested in something, oh, it went go down, I'm losing my money. No, the market goes like this. It goes up, come down, take correction, goes up, correction, goes up, take correction, goes up, take correction. The more correction it will take, the more stronger sports they are making below their level. The more stronger the sports is, the more solidifying the project is, and then they are ready to launch to the moon. Okay, and the people, they are using the projects which has no fundamentals, nothing is there, not changing the vision, not changing the world or anything. They are thinking they will go to the moon and touch the $1. I'm sorry, you're putting your energy, head, money in a wrong place there. So I think that's all more or less for this video. I wanted to share this. I wanted to have this, adrenaline rush in me to reach out to you people. So That's why I'm making this video to you today. I've done this thing 1 week before, 1.5 week before. I made up my project. I'm still going to stick with this one. I have picked my 10 projects there. I'm very much confident on them, but this is my pick. I'm not going to share with you and ask you to invest. Something happened and then you will come, oh Z, you did that thing. No. Do your own research. I have given you the vision. Okay, metaverse is the vision. This is my observation. The people are putting their money here, and if you're not believing that thing, just look at this. Another example I give you. Look at this. 21st number, metaverse 688.9% gained in 7 days. My brother, 7 days. The whole of the market is 6.7x. Okay, look at this first investment, what I told you. We are looking for only freaking 4.8x. In how many time? 1 to 3 years I'm talking about. 1 to 3 years. Look at this. Look at this. 6.89x in 7 days. If I haven't opened your windows, if I haven't penetrated you till now, I'm sorry. You're not built for the crypto. You're not here to be rich. You are here to make 15, 20, 50% gains. Good for you, my brother. Good for you. Keep making that one. And if you haven't subscribed to my WhatsApp group, YouTube channel, do subscribe there. I'm keep bringing such projects, hidden gems, keep motivating you. Because as a community, I want everyone to be financially strong and empowerment of society. You people are my society. You people are my family. You have seen the people who are watching the video from my WhatsApp group. You know everything, but I'm putting effort there. Take care of yourself. Till the next video. Love, peace and care.